Today I'll share something that goes beyond marks, beyond medals. It is all about holistic development. As a student, you have heard about working hard, scoring good marks in your exams, but success is not about scoring marks in your exams or doing best in any one thing. It is all about developing and growing in all the areas of your life. It is your brain, your health and your character. For mind, this is the time to feed your curiosity with knowledge. Learning is your foundation. It will remain with you forever. Whenever you study, do not study for gaining marks. Always study to understand, to learn and to grow. For body, physical exercise is must. Play sports, do a walk, keep yourself healthy. Then for character, it is very important to build a good character. How you treat others define what you are. Always be honest with what you do. Always treat everyone with respect and inculcate good value. Holistic development means balancing all these three elements. It is not about being perfect in one area, but it is to improve every day a little in all the areas. If you focus on these, you will not only achieve great things, but also grow into a confident, balanced and a happy individual. Remember, goal is not to be successful, but it is to be the best version of yourself. Thank you.